Let's talk about how to use prompts effectively in Google AI Studio. Prompts are the questions or instructions you give to AI to get useful answers. So, in order to get better prompts or in order to use prompts effectively, you need to be clear and specific. Instead of saying, "Tell me about cars," say, "Explain the advantages of electric cars or gasoline cars." So, this will give you a step by step process. So use step-by-step instructions for complex tasks. Ask, "List 3 benefits of AI," then explain each one in sentence. Provide context. If you want a summary, add "Summarize this text for a 5th grader," and just like that. It will make your prompts and its answers more simpler. Use examples. So the AI how you want the answer by giving a sample. Provide ambiguity. Don't say good or bad alone. Specify what you mean. The better your prompt, the better the AI's response. Experiment and refine your prompts for the best results. I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to like, subscribe and tune in with us for more of these videos. See you in the next one.